Hi, sir. I'm happy to share that I received an offer letter from one of the product-based company with a good package. I joined this platform 2 months ago, and initially I was very nervous about facing the interviews, and I don't have much confidence on me. I used to think I don't have communication and all. However, now I feel much more confident in me, and I recently completed an interview and got selected by that company. I really got a lot of help from this platform. I didn't expected that I'll improve this much just within the 2 months of period. I confidently attended the interviews and cleared them. And now I have the two offers in my hand. It's all happened after joining this English therapy platform. Here I improved a lot. Previously, while speaking, I used to get stuck in between, and at the time my fluency was poor. But joining here, I gained the fluency in English. Now I can able to speak with anyone without any hesitations. And I also from the sessions that you designed, by that I improved the spontaneous giving answers to the questions, similar kind of questions like how we face in the MR or HR interviews. Not only my communication improved, and also from the psychology sessions, I changed my perception um, towards my life. I used to think negatively if anything happens went wrong in my decisions. And I used to feel like I lost everything by when I rejected by the company. But after attending the psychology sessions, I changed the mindset. And by the sessions, like I developed many great things like reading, listening, and reading become one of my favorite habit now. Like thank you so for cultivating with these great habits in me. This English therapy classes, the way it was designed, it will be so much helpful for the people, those who are also looking for interview related skills like me. I cleared after joining here. I cleared all the rounds easily. Even when the interviewer from the US, yeah, I felt like I was just conversing with him. I didn't get any fear on my face by seeing the different country people. I even though even he mentioned me that you spoke very well, you have the fluency in English. That is what we are looking for the candidates. He said. And before I used to worry about getting job just because of my lack of communication skills, even though I had a good technical skills. But after when I realized that I need to improve my communication skills, that time I found this great platform and I joined in English therapy classes. If I joined here earlier, maybe I would have gotten a job during my placements time. Thank you, sir, for being a mentor, and you gave me so much of inputs to where I'm lacking, and you helped me to change my perception towards everything. Thanks for guiding me to improve, and I'm grateful for the support. And thank you, sir.